Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Neo of AhhhsoNeo. Say hey! 2020 is almost over, beautiful people. We're almost there. Yes. And to get us there, I have an unboxing, and this came from Macy's. If you'd like to see what yeah, okay, that was a bit of a hassle. If you'd like to see what I got from Coach via Macy's, watch on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. 2020 is almost over. Isn't that wonderful? I happen to think it is perfect. This year has been this year. One for the record books. There's not much more to be said. But what is to be said is that we are here for an unboxing. Yes. This came from Macy's, which is why it's not in a box, it's not gift wrapped, it's not licking luscious. I literally, well, I did get the box and it was stuffed inside the box, I guess. And this was taped down. It was securely packed in here, but I buy from Macy's because sometimes I find they have a better discount and a good rebates than going on the Coach website. So that's what we did. But before we jump into that, I am going to say hi or welcome. This is my channel here, AhhhsoNeo. I like to talk about everything. Today we are discussing Coach. If you're new here, please, thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you're having a fabulous December. And you know what? If you're not, it can only get better from here since there's only like, I don't know, 4 days left. Perk it up, people. Perk it up. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming by. You're the real MVP, and I love you guys for supporting my channel. And yeah, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff. Love the support I get here, and always want to support. If you have a channel, make sure that you're letting me know that down below if I'm not already subscribed. So moving on, I'm trying to talk less, unbox more. This is, I'm sure you saw from the thumbnail, the Coach May shoulder bag. Now I am aware that there's a Coach May tote bag. And when I went looking for reviews on this bag, all I saw was that bag, and I've not seen any. And I did not see this bag in store, have not tried it out because COVID. So I really bought it, not sight unseen, because clearly I've seen pictures, but I really bought it with never having tried it on. So kind of wish me luck because I don't know what to expect. It's still, this bag in this setup is still on the website. It was on sale for 30% off. Right now I think it's still like full, but I know it will, it's Coach. Coach always goes on sale. So don't worry there. And it's very nicely wrapped, so let's kind of work through that together. Okay. I am appreciating that. Okay. That was good. I love the big buckle. If you guys know me and my Coach Tabby shoulder bag, which also is a handheld because I'm a handheld girl, but it has the big brass buckle, which is for me lovely. And I love the pebbled leather, guys. Oh, this is really what made me go, I want this bag, was this beautiful tricolorness, lack of a better word. Look at that. Alright. Oh, look. Gorgeous Mike suede lining on the inside. Love that. A big magnetic tab there.
Very well stuffed.
Okay. It's one big giant hole on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that, which that is cool. And then it does have an inside pocket. That's it. I don't know, I think I was kind of thinking it was going to have a divider in the inside, but it doesn't. This is just one huge pocket, as you can see from the side there. I can live with that. And then the pocket on the back. Okay. Right. Oh, this retails for $3.95, but it's Coach. It went on sale, as Coach tends to do. It is a shoulder bag. I love a good shoulder bag, so this seemed like a good fit. Ugh. I had not noticed that. Look at that. This strap is a different color. I thought it was going to be this brown. I like that. So it's actually not a trichrome, quattro colored bag, because 2, 3, 4. I love that. It has it has a crossbody strap. I don't know what it is with the crossbody straps nowadays, but everything's all about the crossbody straps. I have like 3 or 4 Coach crossbody straps that I don't use. Do people sell them? Do people buy them? Because I've got a black, I've got a green, and I've got a cream one like this. So if you are interested in a crossbody strap from Coach, let me know, because I will sell them. Or let me know if the Coach Facebook group sell them. I don't know. You know what I mean. Let me know. So it does have a big strap. I would not use that because the bag itself is rather large. So for me, it's way too wide to be a crossbody bag and would really just end up bumping into everything. So no ma'am. But it does have a great drop on the shoulder bag. So if I am honest, it's a little larger than I thought it was going to be. I guess I should have taken the dimensions into consideration when I purchased it. But I think I was just so taken with the overall look of the bag that I really like it. But it is a shoulder bag. I don't mind a large bag if it's a shoulder bag. That's for me is fine. The only other thing I think about this bag that I've been wondering about is that it reminds me a lot, and I'm sure it's the colorway of my Coach Cassie. Of course it's the colorway. And, oh goodness, sorry bag. This is my Coach Cassie original size, the one with a snakeskin handle. And I put it away without stuffing it, which is bad because it looks deflated. But yeah, I think it's because it's the same leather. Are they too similar looking? I don't like to carry black bags because I feel like one black bag is all you need. Maybe different sizes. But to me, like, I would wear both of these with very similar looks. So I'm kind of going through that feeling where I'm going, do I need them both? So maybe it's just time for something new. I don't know. I need to join the Coach groups and see what's happening there. See if there's people with pictures or reviews of this bag. But at this point in time, I'm totally loving it. So, okay guys. That is it. That is a new unboxing for me featuring my Coach shoulder bag. Let me guys know what you think. Are people not in love with this bag? I'm just not seeing it on the YouTube's world. Maybe I need to be in the Coach Facebook group. Who knows? Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys are well. And I'm going to end this video like I end all my videos. Choose happiness. It's a choice you get to make every day, every hour, every minute. Make the right choice for you. Choose happiness.